In this video, we are going to learn about average function. First, we will learn what average mean. Average, this is arithmetic mean and is calculated by adding a group of numbers and then dividing by the count of those numbers. For example, we have to find out average of 2, 3, 3, 5, 7 and 10. First, we have to add this all number over here, equal sign, then add 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 10. Then press enter. Answer came and that is 30. Now count number over here. We have 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will divide 30 by 6 over here. 30 divided by 6 and then press enter. Answer came and that is 5. So like this we can find average in max. Same thing Excel will do. All we need to do is use the average function. First we will give label of average in A13 cell. First delete this. Now click to A13 cell and write average. And press enter. Now we have to find out average in B13 cell. So first click B13 cell. Then press equal sign. Then write average. Then open round bracket sign. Then select range of cell B4 to B8. Then close round bracket sign and then press enter. The moment we press enter, average came and that is rupees 840 over here. There are different ways to find average. Now we will learn that. First click to C13 cell over here. Then click to formula tab over here. Then click to auto sum over here. In that click to average. Like this. The moment we have clicked to average, Excel has selected range of cell automatically. If that range of cell is useful for us, then go on. Otherwise select range of cell. Like here, we will select C4 to C8. Like this. And then press enter. The moment we have pressed enter, average came and that is rupees 905 over here. One more way, for that click to D13 cell over here. Then click to more function. Then statistical and in that click to average. The moment we have clicked to average, new window will come up. Cell will be selected in first argument over here. If that cell is useful, then go on. Otherwise select range of cell. Like here we will select D4 to D8. Like this. Then click OK. The moment we click OK, average came and that is rupees 920 over here. Or we can drag aside till F13 cell. Like this. Like this also we can find average for rest of the cell. These are the ways we can find average in Excel. Try this average function in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video. Take care.